to some people. Right, let's begin. I've just added some people behind that, so that's my scenery. Can you see the drip coming down there? I filmed that earlier. Right, let's move these. Probably over that. I haven't really got to make sure it's not a shot. I haven't really drunk any you-know-what. I haven't been in the mood. I only do that when I do a vlog. Right, so we need to put that bag over there to protect my cook set before I begin. If I just position you, I don't know. Fucking limited on fucking what I can do. I've had the girl. So because it's quite muddy, as you can see there, all my stuff's going to get covered in stuff, but this bag's going to blow away. So I need to weigh it down with something. Maybe with some water. Yeah. We need some water. So we need to go and get some water. Yes. Come on. Without getting out of the tent. Right. Water. Yeah. Come on. I could do it. Yes. It's harder when you've got fucking one hand. Right. Let's set you up. Water. Right. So this is just me testing the Alanzi MT16, a very short legs, but it's ideal when I'm in condition. I'm just gonna have a protective layer. I tend to use bin bags because I could just bin them and they don't take up much room, so I need something there to weigh it down and something here. Well, maybe I can use those rocks. Maybe. Yeah. Let's use the rocks, mate. Fuck it. I'm not going to use them. So if I just put one in the corner there. Oh, look at that. Like a professional. Oh, fucking mat's gone everywhere again. Oh, fucking shit. Shit. Always slides around. Come on, get under there. That's it. Fucking Jesus Christ. So in here I'll show you before we begin. This is waterproof, so this is Gore-Tex, so any drips will not get on my sleep system. Underneath is my sleeping bag, which is -7. That's keeping me toasty. Obviously that's Gore-Tex, so that's releasing any moisture. So basically this is my central heating system to keep me fucking dry. Right, if I just turn you around, I'm missing something. You look at the view, so I'm looking for something. Look at the view. Let me just tilt you just a little bit higher. That's the problem with his legs. And I'll just fucking Jesus Christ. Stay there. Ah, I found it. Right, so we're going to do a sort of POV shot of me sorting out my, just plug you in. I'm doing this anyway, so I might as well film it. Right, where did I put the fixer? Stay there. Probably do it like that. If I just turn the camera around so I can see what is in the shot. The base of here is shit. Can't do a POV shot. What I like about these rocket pouches is they zip together. Oh, could do a POV shot. Yeah. Camera. Let's get tripod pointing down. There we go, nice POV shot. Let's just put you up just a little bit higher. So the camera won't fall over. Won't fall over. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Fucking wet as fuck. Just imagine I had no tarp. Can't fucking do fucking shit when it's raining, can you? This is why I have a setup like this. It's making me feel fucking good to be on my thermoses up in the rain. Can sit on that seat, originator seat, and I put that one on top of there, then I've got a nice seat. Then I have to put up my camping chair, which is up, hanging up there. Happy days. This is like my little kitchen table slash seat. Oh yeah. Now you know why I didn't like the other pitch. I'm trying to make this into a POV shot and it's really hard because hang on. trying to get it in fucking shot, make a POV shot. I'll put my legs out a bit wider. That's it. It's gonna fucking fall over. Stay there, don't fucking fall over. It's not gonna work. I need to put the camera in this position. Alright, I'll do it that way. It's more fucking stable. Sort of POV shot there. Put it just a bit higher, then it gives me a bit more wiggle room. There we go. Right. It's all about trial and error. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. If I just bring you just a little bit in, so when I'm moving around, so I'm going to touch this, and here. I have to make sure it's in shot. There we go. Yes, it'd be nice to have it on a test mount, but that's setting that shit up. Oh well. Setting shot. Right, I need to bring you a bit closer in. There. All this area here. Okay, let's begin. Okay guys, so make sure that's in shot. There. We bring it a bit closer that way. Problem is I'm always moving around here, there, and everywhere. Can't see the screen, guys, sorry. All I'm doing, guys, is just filming what I'm doing. I have to do this anyway to make a coffee. I've got no choice. It's either no coffee, or hot drink, no hot drink. So I might as well film it. Fuck it. I've already done this footage anyway. I've done this many times footage, so might as well do it on the live. So these legs, I'll show you. These legs will keep it stable, and also when you've got a cold ground, because of the underneath gets cold, this bit's stuck to concrete before when I'm in cold conditions, so you do need to offload it with some legs, and also it stabilises it. And then we're going to bring you over to that, and then we're going to pick perfect. And we're going to turn you around so I can get access. So I'm not going to film the rest, I'm just going to keep it in this position here. I don't know what I'm going to do. In that position. You can't see the cook set now. Let's see if I can elevate you a little bit and tilt you down. Not falling over. That's it. That's better. That's better. So Pathfinder glove, I'm going to be using my right hand. I need the right glove, that's the left glove. Right. The rain is coming down, but it's a fucking nice sound. Let's plug you in, because I don't want to drain my battery. And let's put the cable over there so I don't knock the camera over. So when you're doing stuff, make sure you pack stuff away because things get lost and damaged. So I don't need any of this. For me, this makes it more interesting because I need to get everything into shot. It's all practice for me because I don't always do this, and it's trying to get in the perfect shots. And I can have a few finder, so I'm using the rear facing camera because it's better. It's a better camera basically, especially on this one. I've got this wrapped around me. Jesus. Oh, I'm going to use this cable. It's longer. Okay. What do I do to make you love me? What do I do to be heard? What do I do when it's all over? Sorry seems to be the hardest word. That's all the fucking words I know for that song. It's a sorry situation. It's getting more and more absurd. As I said, pack everything away because when it comes to trying to sort stuff out, if you just chuck it all in your tent, it's a son of a bitch to tidy up. Just do it as you go. Right, let's get this sleeping bag around me so I don't get fucking killed. Right, let's reposition the camera. Let's take the power lead out. Now I could position you there, but I need to move that block so I could put the camera there. Now, fucking shit. Right. Hang on, I'm going to put you... I don't know. I don't want to put you on that boggy bit. Put you here. Right, I need to move this out of the way. Shit shot. Raining, my son. Fucking raining. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is not fucking snoring. There we go. Now it's set up, I just have to pour hot water. I've just got to pour cold water on there. Come on, come on, come on. could do it with one hand. As soon as I've made the coffee, I'm going to switch off the live and then just listen to music. This is the whole plan today. It's a very short live. I've got no time constraints today. It's just fucking raining. I've got to fill up the thermoses. As soon as I've done that, then I will go to car and go to drive. I got no choice because I'm a righty. But because I'm grabbing things from the left to bring over to here, for me to bring it from here to here, I twist it. So because the reach is coming from there to there, for me to do it from there to there, it's a bit of a... depends on the position of my object. That will do, it doesn't have to be a rolling boil. I only do a rolling boil when I'm filling up the thermoses. Now, those handles are going to be fucking hot, my son. Where's my glove gone? Oh, don't tell me I packed it away. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, the rain is coming. I fucking packed it away, didn't I? Because I'm fucking... I'm using my right hand, right glove. That's a left glove. I fucking packed it away, didn't I? I fucking knew it. But I fucking got it out. I left it out on purpose. Hold on. I fucking did all this. Yeah, I fucking packed it away, didn't I? Left. Let's not block the solar panel, thank you. Pack this away. Some people only have one side of motor movement after their strokes, and they have to adapt by using one hand, or they got one dominant hand. Jesus Christ, I have to do it so I can get the shots quick. Get it in there, don't drop it on the muddy floor. Come on, I can do it. One hand, come on. You don't realise how much, like, when you use two hands, you need two fucking hands, mate. Like zips and stuff like that. Jesus Christ, this is a pain in the ass. Right, let's see if I could do it with one hand. I want to use the right. Right, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I need two hands. Whoa. Get back. Get back over there. Fucking took that glove out so I could save fucking time, and now I've fucking done this, didn't I? Fuck, it did it. Oh, I need 2 hands, mate, to put that glove on. Yes, put it on a chest mount, it's a lot easier. I'll need to set it up. Put the glove on in one hand, it's fucking impossible. Right. Holding the camera. I should have used my right hand. Right, I'm not going to fucking piss ass around, I just want to fucking make this copy, mate. A 2-hand job. Good way of testing this product. MT44. No, MT. What it is? MT16. Sorry. A Landy. It's actually quite robust, but it's too short. I don't want that one. And the handle should be cool enough there. I should have got the right hand glove. I don't get it. Will that be after the line? Go. Copy review, that's it for my live. I'm gonna chill. Thank you, Nat, for joining again. Please like, comment, subscribe, see you in that video. Bye, bye, bye. And see. Meow.